If you've tried creating 3D clothing and digital fashion before, you'll know it can be so frustrating. Should it really be this hard? Well, we don't think so. And that's why we created the Style3D Studio Masterclass online video training series. 10 hours of professionally delivered and easy to follow practical hands-on training from the gurus of 3D digital fashion and certified Style3D trainers. If you join the Masterclass training course today, you'll get a whopping 6 months free subscription to the Style3D Studio software worth $240. Plus, save 50% off the course price for the first students who enroll today. Train from home, in your own time, at your own pace, on any device, with Style3D Studio software and the brand new Style3D Studio Masterclass from the Fashion3DX Academy. Plus, gain 2 accreditations from the one training course. Visit fashion3dx.com/training to secure your place today.